We turn right. Indicator right. The sequence has to be perfect. Look inside mirror, outside mirror, side look, and go. Yes. Oh, you have seen that?
Yeah.
That's really, really dangerous, no?
Yeah.
Never see, no? Don't move the head, no?
Yeah.
You have seen that, no? That was critical and dangerous, no? Oh. Nächste Mal schaffst du das, Vanille 1993. Ja, 6 km zu schnell, 30 Euro. Oh, the lady made a mistake. We take care of this, no?
Ja.
So, der wird hier gerade ausfahren, der wird nicht den, genau richtig, so wird er das machen. Und rechts abbiegen, der wird nicht den Radweg benutzen, rechts abbiegen, turn right.
Right?
Ja, turn right here. Also Deutsch geht noch nicht, Deutsch ist noch kaputt. Müssen wir reparieren, dann machen wir noch Englisch und Englisch Deutsch. Wir sprechen Englisch. Einfach. So, here, like a zipper. Fluently, look inside mirror, outside mirror, indicators, side look, and go. So then we look for parking place here in front. Maybe we have a little bit of luck and we have a parking place here, but we don't have it. Okay, then we turn right. So now we turn right. Okay, and turn right. And we can go in. Only roll, no gas, no gas. We are in a port here. Big curve, go on the right side. First right, and now left. Look to the plate. Yeah, left. It's going.